earthquakes.
Movements within the Earth's crust cause stress to build up at points of weakness and rocks to deform. Eventually, all the energy builds up and is released as an earthquake.
The Earth's crust is made up of tectonic plates. They are big like jigsaw pieces. There are about 20. When they rub together, the movement forces energy to come to the ground. This causes an earthquake!
Most earthquakes happen on the edge of tectonic plates, mainly oceanic, so the ocean, and continental, which is on ground.
A seismometer detects vibrations. Inside the machine is a weight. As the ground shakes, the case shakes and not the weight. It draws a squiggle to show how much the ground shook. The bigger the squiggle, the worse the earthquake.
The Richter scale records the level of destruction with numbers 1 to 12. 1 where no one can feel it and no homes are damaged, and 12 where it causes complete destruction.
Tsunamis. Tsunamis are when earthquakes happen under the sea. The energy causes massive waves, and the waves, if they're close to land, will flood cities. Mwahaha!